Polaris, the North Star, is a fascinating celestial guide. It's not just any star, it's positioned almost directly above the North Pole, making it a reliable point of navigation for centuries. Ancient sailors used it to find their way across vast oceans, while travelers on land relied on its steady glow to steer them home. What's truly amazing is that Polaris is actually a triple star system, with a main star that's about 2,500 times brighter than our sun. So, next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember that Polaris has been a beacon of hope and direction for countless explorers throughout history.